Charles Dickens was born on the 7th of February 1812 in Portsea Island, Hampshire, to John Dickens and Elizabeth Dickens. His family eventually relocated to Chatham, Kent, where he lived until he turned 11. As a child, Charles Dickens spent a lot of time outdoors and read a lot of books such as The Arabian Nights and Robinson Crusoe. In June 1822, John Dickens, who worked as a clerk in the Navy Pay Office, was recalled back to the Navy Pay Office headquarters in London. Due to this, the family moved into London, except Charles, who stayed behind to continue his studies for a while in school. The family was in severe financial debt by the time they left, so due to this, in 1824, John Dickens was forced into Marshalsea Debtors' Prison in London. His wife and youngest children joined him there, as was the norm during that time. Eventually, Charles was forced to quit school in order to pay for his board and help his family, whilst his father was incarcerated in debtor's prison. So, he took up work in Warren's blacking warehouse, where he worked 10 hours a day pasting labels on boot blacking pots. Later on in life, Dickens wanted to show the community the inequality and disparity that some people were facing in their lives, and so he brought this out using the power of writing through his bestseller Oliver Twist. Apart from Oliver Twist, A Tale of Two Cities, A Christmas Carol, David Copperfield, and Great Expectations are some of his notable pieces of writing. On the 2nd of April 1836, Charles Dickens married Catherine Hogarth, and the two went on to have 10 children. His work continued to grow in popularity. Queen Victoria read his work and even stayed up until midnight discussing Dickens' writing. On the 8th of June 1870, Charles Dickens suffered a stroke. He never regained consciousness and passed away the next day. The world has so many people who write, who try to earn themselves a place in history. Not many succeed, but Charles Dickens, who was born into a difficult childhood, was able to make a name for himself against all odds. He is proof that we can achieve anything if we fight through our struggles and never give in to fear.